In this video, we will demonstrate some of the available features on the combo whiteboard with the call bell system integration. Let's check it out. Starting at your TV. This is your home page. This page contains information revolving around you, showing you your assigned care team, precautions like allergies, and any orders placed by staff, like x-rays. You will also find information like your name, room number, phone extension, date and time, weather, and an area for additional notes. The next page is for entertainment. Here you will find the TV guide. Additionally, you will see some of the same information you will find on the home page, including your name, room number, phone extension, date, time, precautions, and care team. Now that the basics are covered, let's review how to use your remote. Starting at the top. These buttons are your way to alert staff that you need assistance. The red button is used to let your nurse know you need help. The pill button lets the nurses know you're in pain. The water cup button is to request water. The toilet button is to request assistance to the bathroom. The next set of buttons control your room's environment. The yellow light bulb labeled 1 turns on and off your reading light. Light bulb 2 plus and minus buttons control your main lights. To turn on, press and hold the plus light bulb button. By holding down this button, you can increase the brightness to your desired level. To lower the brightness, hold down the minus light bulb button. Continue to hold it down for it to turn off. The sunshade button will change the glass on your door from transparent to frosted. Lastly, in this area, press the start icon to the climate control menu on your TV. From here, you can see the current room temperature and what the thermostat is set to. You can use the arrows and enter button to select warmer or colder to adjust the temperature. Each time you select warmer or colder, it changes the thermostat by 1 degree. When finished, press the exit button to close out of the climate control menu. The last set of buttons is for the TV and entertainment portion. Starting with the TV power button. This toggles you between the home page and the TV guide. On the TV guide, you can use your arrows to navigate the guide. Channels that are blue are shows that are currently playing. Press the enter button to select a channel you want to watch. While watching TV, you can adjust your volume using the up, down, and mute buttons. You can also scroll through the channels by clicking the up or down button. To get back to the TV guide, press the exit button. Pressing the sun and moon button, you can change from daytime mode to nighttime mode and turn the TV off. To turn it back on, press the sun and moon button again. Pressing the menu button will open the menu, where you can navigate to the channel guide or climate control menu. Press the exit button to close the menu. Lastly, use the number pad to type in your favorite channels. And that covers the basics. If you want to learn more, contact Simtech Solutions today.